Hi, we're going to talk about advanced amino formula. What do we need it for? Well, as we get older, we find that it's harder to recover. It's not easy to just work all day lifting stuff or just a strenuous workout and bounce up the next day like you're ready to go again, like you were in your 20s and 30s. Advanced amino formula kind of bridges that gap of the stuff that you're missing. I mean, it helps you repair joints. It just helps your body recover. So it's a quicker recovery. It's more you can get done. The more you do, the better shape you get into. So it just helps you get into better shape and stay in better shape. The protein utilization on the advanced amino formula is at 99%. I mean, you can look at like eggs, it's almost 50, or meat and fish, it's in the 30s. So we're getting a lot more of the protein usage out of that, a lot less waste, which means a lot less converted into sugars or fats. Helps you stay lean. Um, some of the things about the advanced amino formula: it's vegan, it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, soy-free, it's made in the U.S. It's good stuff. Now, some of the downsides: some people say it has an ammonia smell to it. Um, the biggest thing is if you use it consistently, you'll see results. And if you're on antidepressants, you might want to consult your doctor first because there are some side effects for that. But other than that, it's a pretty safe, easy to use way to get back into shape and recover from the daily workout and the daily grind. If you got any questions, I'll put a link in there to my blog, fit5fusion.com. And there'll be links in there, but there'll be more information, so check it out.